Hello friends, I am CA Pratiksha. I welcome you all in your YouTube channel. Friends, we all are using the sum formula in our day-to-day life in Excel. But sometimes it may happen that you will not get the correct answer or you will get no answer in Excel even if you are using the correct formula. So in today's video, I will show you the 7 different ways in which you can do the total or by using the sum formula and other formula. Friends, go through the entire video and all the 7 techniques which I have mentioned in the video, and don't forget to mention in the comment box which trick you love the most. And if at the end of the video you will feel I have added some knowledge to you, share it with your friends and like the video. Let's see friends. Friends, those who are new to the Excel will do the sum like this. Just select the cell 1 plus cell 2 plus cell 3 and you will get the answer. But when your data is in number of rows, then this method may not be the good option. So I will show you the method number 2. In that, if you will want to use the mouse, the option of auto sum over here is there. So I will just do a click on this auto sum. Then Excel will select the entire range and you will just press enter. And the another shortcut of this is, if you don't want to use the mouse, the shortcut is alter is equal to. If you will press alter is equal to, then also your sum will come. So this is the method 2. Now let's move to method number 3. Data is there and some blank rows are there. If I will apply alter is equal to, you will see the answer will not come because Excel will stop wherever there is a blank cell. Then what to do? Then we have to apply the traditional method, means is equal to sum, then bracket, and again I have to select this range and I will just close the bracket and press the enter. So you will get the answer in a easy way. Let's move to next method. Let's take an example. My data is like this, and in one of the product I have a product name, pieces, rate and total. Total is arrived by multiplying pieces with rate. Let's take an example. I don't have the B product in my stock, so I will write, instead of 0 I will write NA, and you will see the value is coming over here, means error sign. Or if I will divide any amount by 0, you will say the division error will come. If I want to do a total of the correct value, then is it the way or is there any way? Let's try. Alter is equal to, it's not working. Let's try with is equal to sum and bracket. Just select the data, just close the bracket or enter. See friends, you will not get the correct answer. Then how we will get the answer? So let's try and learn new formula. Is equal to aggregate. Aggregate formula is there. It is over here. I will just select the aggregate or I will press tab. So aggregate formula will come. Here it will show you whatever function or what you want to do with this data. Let's take an example. In our case, I want to do a sum. So you have to select or you have to write 9, number 9. Then again I have to do a comma. Here you will see the number of option is appearing. So in this way we can select ignore error value, means the code is 6. So I have to type 6, then again comma. Then we have to define to Excel where is my data range. So I will just select the data because it is an array formula. I will just close the bracket and press enter. Let's see friends whether answer will come or not. You will wonder friends, the answer is coming in a perfect way, even if there is a division error and there is a value error. Let's move further. So friends, if I want the total of horizontal and vertical, means row wise as well as column wise, then what to do? So the new technique is just select the data. When you select, the box will open over here. The name of the box is quick analysis. So I will just do a click on this. Here you have to just go and identify the total option is there. In that the sum option is there. When I will click on the sum option, you will see the total is coming in a row number 9. If I want the total in column also, then what to do? Again just click on this quick analysis. Again just click on total and you will see the option of sum here is there. Just I will do a click and you will wonder that it is coming without applying any formula with a single click of mouse. Let's move further friends. And sometimes we have applied the filter and I want the total, and if I will apply the formula of is equal to sum and I will select the range, Let's check whether answer will correctly come or not. I will just close the bracket. You will see. Because when I will apply the sum formula, Excel has considered all the cells from O8 to O17. But I want total of these three cells only. Then what to do? Then let's see new formula or is equal to subtotal option is there. So I will just type subtotal and bracket. Now what to do? You have to just see once again over here. For sum, where is the code number? So the code number is 9. So I have to type 9 and bracket. I have to select the range. So where is my data range? I will just select the data range. I will just close the bracket. Let's see friends whether answer will come 60 or not. I will enter. You will wonder the answer is coming in a perfect way. Let's move further friends. Friends, let's see the method number 7, which is the last one and which is unique one. If you will observe the data, there is a row number 5, 6, then after 8 and 7 are missing. So, which are hidden. If I will apply the sum formula and I will just do a click of alter is equal to, because you all know, so the answer is coming 60. You will see the Excel is considering the total of row number 7 as well as row number 8 in this total. But I want the total of these 4 only. I don't want the total of hidden rows. Then what to do? Then again we have to apply the formula of, let's say, aggregate the other master. What you want to do? So I want to do the sum. So the code is 9. Again I will do the comma. Yeah. And you will see the option is there. Ignore hidden row. So the code number is 5. So I will just type a 5 and again comma. Now again I have to select the data range. So I will just select the range and I will just close the bracket and press enter. Let's see friends whether answer is coming 40 or 60. If 40 will come, the formula is correct. Let's check friends. See friends, the answer is coming 40. But if you will tell if I will unhide this row, then what will happen to the answer? Whether still answer will come 40 or 60. Let's check friends. So I will just select both the row, do a right click on this and unhide. When I will unhide, let's see friends what is going to happen. See friends, the Excel has automatically changed the answer and your answer is coming in a perfect way. Hope friends I have added some knowledge to you. If you feel the video is good, please like, share with your friends. Thank you friends. Keep smiling. Take care.